These are some seedlings that I'm growing. Some of them are in rock wool plugs, some of them are in shallow trays. Yet some of them are in plastic cups with a blend of perlite and some soil. Those are dragon fruits. That's a napier grass. This is a Job's tears plant. I've got a mixture of pepper and eggplants. These are some daylilies. A couple of other one there. That's an Asiatic lily, and I think so is this one. Now look at the dragon fruits are developing beautiful hairs. Yeah, kind of cute, you know. Over here, some more seeds are being grown here on these cups. What is this? I have named them. I have named some of them. Fresh seeds that I got from AliExpress. Here, this is going to be my green salad uh, sort of box. I've got some parsley there, some old tomatoes. This is where I took some of the older tomatoes that I replanted. That's a red basil. Now here is another similar styrofoam box where I have all these beautiful tomatoes, combination of cherry tomatoes and Roma tomatoes. Some of the plants are already flowering or showing flower buds. These are the tomatoes that I have replanted on this hybrid air pruning and sub-irrigated pot that I made out of an IKEA bin. I just drilled some holes and lined it with landscaping fabric, and you can see that this one is flowering already. So there you go. I've got how much? 10 of those. Yeah, 10 of those replanted with around 3 or 4 in each pot. That's another flowering tomato. Here I've got some peppers. These are a combination of chili pepper and bell peppers. This is a talinum that I got from Jamaluddin, one of my friends from Krishi Group. The rosemary plant that I got from the nursery. These are some tomatoes that aren't growing very well. It's in this styrofoam box. It's not the system itself, but I think it's the soil. They're alive and but not growing. These are my set of beautiful plants. Zucchinis. We got some flowers there and some fruits. This is a combination of zucchini, cucumber, squash, watermelon. So you can see I think this is a squash growing there, climbing. It's another bed. Again, as I mentioned earlier, it's not the system itself, but it's the soil, because this soil is the same as the one in the styro box with tomatoes. And you know, nothing seems like all the plants growing here are growing very, very slow. I got lemongrass. That's an okra. It's a sweet potato, and this is another sweet potato, another variety. This is an okra. See, this is a watermelon, and that's a bitter melon. See, this was planted with the same amount of seeds as the one in that pot, but you can see the difference. That's what's in the other pot with the Sultan Garden soil mix, and this is what's in the other pot with this German technology soil mix that didn't quite work. This is another pot that I made out of an IKEA bin. It's got okra that has already fruited, some basil, some pepper, and tomatoes. There you go. There's also basil over on that side. This is another one. Have the same combination, but this one I think it's got cucumber instead of okra. But I have the basil also, and the tomato And the pepper over there are growing perfectly well. This is the strawberry plant that I got from the nursery, which I replanted yesterday because I feel bad that the strawberries are just rotting because it's resting on the soil. So there you have it. A quick tour. That's a drum that I'm gonna be using for my aquaponics. A quick tour of my small greenhouse, shaded greenhouse. The shading I got from, this is a construction netting that you see normally. My friend Waki brought for me, but beneath that is this 70% shade cloth that I got from AliExpress. That's about it. That's my flower patch. That's my windowsill.